Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing our Ipsy bag. Woo! And this is actually the December bag. But as you know, I've been traveling, so it's been kind of really hard for me to keep up with all these videos because I have so many boxes that came in while I was away. So I am so happy to now be able to review it with you. Let's tear this sucker open. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press that notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. I mean, really, I should have done this like yesterday. Alright, let's get to unboxing this. Ooh, so the tote this month is nice and fluffy like Santa. Hey, Santa. Alright, so this month's bag is the Ipsy holiday bag. As you know, they don't ever tell us anything about the products in this little note card. In fact, I just found out like 2 days ago that if you actually go on the Ipsy app, they will tell you, they'll give you the breakdown and the MSRP and all that stuff for that month's bag. Didn't know that because I'm over here like, why is it not in the note card? Y'all just don't want me to tag these things, because if that was the case, you would have, I mean, I'm just saying, you would have been up in there, you know what I'm saying? Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Okay, so the first thing we have is Tula. Yeah, I think that's the only way you pronounce this. Tula. Skincare is Soul Polish Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. Alright. Let's go ahead and give it an open. It says to use this. Oh, it's a really pretty bottle. It's a nice ocean blue. It says, get smoother, brighter, and more even looking skin with this gentle yet effective sugar scrub. Sugar provides effective physical exfoliation without damaging the skin. Fruit enzymes from papaya and pineapple chemically exfoliate and polish the skin. Probiotics help balance the complexion and decrease the look of inflammation. Pores are unclogged for a reduced appearance of blackheads, and you're left with smooth, polished, and glowing skin. Apply a dime size and gently massage in circular motions. Rinse with warm water. Use 2 to 4 times per week for optimum results. Okay. I'm going to just squirt a little bit on the back of my... Oh, I was like, why is it not coming out? There's a little... Woo! I knew that. I knew that. Okay, this thing just doesn't want to come off. It doesn't want it to come off. And stick my pinky up in there and stuff. Oh, there it goes. Finally. Smells great. Wow. I wish I hadn't done it on this hand because like my fingers are broken from moving. But oh my gosh. It feels and smells amazing. Wow. Yeah, that's definitely some papaya. That smells great. And pineapple, I smell it. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to use this when I go and take a shower. So... let you know how this works and feels and all that good stuff. I'm trying to brighten my skin too. You got to exfoliate, honey. You have to exfoliate. The next thing we have is the Rock Out and Lash Out Mascara by Beatnik. Oh wait, I think the color is Beatnik's Black, and this is by London. Turn up the volume and amp up your lashes with our unique guitar-shaped brush That's it. Guitar shaped. Really? That. Can y'all see that? That's guitar shaped. Dun, dun, dun. I better be able to play I better be able to play Queen on here. And this is what it looks like. Do do do. Another one bites the dust. Do do do. Another one bites the dust. And another one comes and another one goes. Another one bites the dust. Hey, how'd you get two? Another one bites the dust. Alright, so cool. Always can use some more mascara. Alright, Skin Gloss All Over Skin Enhancer is by Dominique Cosmetics. And this is the little package it comes in. I could barely see it. Like, it looks like Sun Kiss for sure. Couldn't even see or read the package hardly. Not that it tells me anything about it except for it's okay. I can't even open this. And the color is Golden Dew. But I'm gonna be honest with you, this looks quite Caucasian if you ask me. Well, it's a really pretty package. Okay. Trying to look like Dolce & Gabbana. Aw. It has a little mirror on it, so, but that's the color. Looks about white to me. But I'm gonna just, ooh, it's creamy. Oh, it's very creamy. All right, so, oh, wait. Oh, okay, so it seems like it's like a highlighter almost. Ooh. Bow, okay. Just giving it a try. Okay. I will sincerely give this a try. This seems like more to me like a body highlighter, like you put it on your collarbone, your abs that I don't have. Yeah. You know, something like that. But okay. Alright then. Okay. Alright, so we are now going to try Color Boss, which is a multi-dimensional eye color by Makiage. Makiage? You know, I'm country, so I pronounce things super country. But y'all know I'm country. Y'all just help me out. Y'all know how to pronounce these things. I don't be knowing how. It seems like it wants to open this way. Okay, so I think the color is a Jackpot. I mean, I can't even open this. It does open this way. Boop. So it's packaged really pretty. Oh my gosh, super pretty. Let's take it out. Let's open it and let's swatch it on out. It's so thick that you would think there's like something on the bottom of it, but wow. Wow, it's definitely green. It's like a forest, I don't want to say baby shitty poop green, but it is green. It's for those darker Christmas, not even really Christmas green, but like those darker greens, like fall green, but dark. Yeah, that's the color. So yeah, this color, like I said, is the color Jackpot. Yeah, there you have that. Okay. I like the little package that came in, and it's cutely packaged. Okay, okay. So then we have Eye Lustre Cream Eyeshadow. Cream eyeshadow. Lustre. Wow. Okay, this does not look any little bit of it does not look like eyeshadow whatsoever. It looks like I'm about to put this on my lips. Like, wow. I swear I'm not used to these cream shadows. Made my lips cute. Look, half the stuff is usable. Ooh. Hold up, I may be using this for lip gloss. Oh. Okay. It's supposed to be for eyeshadow, but I think I just showed y'all about. I mean, come on, highlight lips. Highlight these lips, please. Mwah. I'm gonna just put this in my purse. And that's it. That's it for this Ipsy bag. I thought that was great. Did y'all think that was great? Because I thought it was great. I thought it was wonderful. We saw some amazing things that I would actually give a try. It seems like for December they want us to be sun-kissed, honey, but I'm okay with that. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. Tell me what you thought about some of those products. Go ahead, talk to me down in the comment section. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press that notification bell so that way you can get notified each and every time I make a new video. Thank you so much for joining me, you guys. Bye. I didn't even want to touch my hand because my lips is popping right now. Like, kiss. Check it out. Ooh, so the tote this month is nice and fluffy like Santa. Hey, Santa. Santa baby, so hurry down the oh no. Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Bye bye.